Do you know the oldest living creature that's still alive? Methuselah. One of the oldest known living things on Earth, Methuselah is a Great Basin bristlecone pine tree that is thought to be over 4,800 years old. It is situated in the White Mountains of California. Methuselah, a biblical person who lived to the age of 969 and was the oldest person mentioned in the Bible, inspired the tree's name. Scientist Edmund Schulman made the discovery of Methuselah in 1957 while researching the development patterns of bristlecone pine trees in the White Mountains. In order to determine the age of the tree, Schulman took a sample of its wood and applied a process known as dendrochronology. Due to the Great Basin bristlecone pine's sluggish development, each ring in the tree's trunk corresponds to 1 year of growth when using dendrochronology to calculate the age of the tree. The reasons for Methuselah's remarkable longevity are varied. Because Great Basin bristlecone pine trees grow slowly, they are not vulnerable to the same stressors and harm as trees with a rapid rate of growth. Additionally, they are shielded from insects and fungal deterioration by the dense and resinous nature of their wood. The tree is also frequently exposed to extreme weather, such as freezing temperatures and strong winds, as a result of its placement in a high-altitude setting, which can further inhibit its growth. Methuselah and other historic bristlecone pine trees have long been the focus of extensive scientific investigation. The development patterns, genetics, and physiology of the trees have all been studied by scientists using a number of methods in addition to dendrochronology. This study has shed critical light on how these trees can endure for countless years and may have significant ramifications for conservation efforts. Methuselah is now the oldest tree in the world that is known to science, but there may be additional incredibly old trees that have not yet been found or properly dated. For instance, until it was unintentionally felled in the 1960s, the neighboring Prometheus tree was believed to be the world's oldest tree. According to estimates, Prometheus is older than Methuselah by over 4,900 years. Thank you for watching this video. Please click on subscribe, press the bell icon. Like, share, comment, to build my confidence to post more.